Hi guys, this is Hector. It's noon London time. Quick update, final update on the strike that I was in. By the way, I just found out that my microphone was on mute mode. Okay, so you probably will not hear any sound or my voice on the first portion of this strike when I upload it on the blog. I apologize for that. Like I say, I've just realized it. Anyway, basically wrapping it up very quickly, what I did on this trade, it was basically trading a long entry on the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. And basically I was trading the retest of these previous levels of resistance. Okay, I'm talking about the 0.7290 level, okay, 0.7300 level within this channel. All right, marked in black in my screen. Let me zoom in a little bit actually. So like I say, throughout the overnight session, price broke above that level, okay, all the way up to the channel top. Then it came back down, retesting the former levels of resistance. I was hoping for it to work as support this time around. That quite hasn't happened, or it did temporarily actually. It did at the early, as London market was open, we retested this level, and from there we began moving north. I got my reversal formation in the shape of a head and shoulders on the very shorter time frames and the 5-minute charts, and well, I entered long, but upon entry, price, as you can see, is been moving sideways, totally flapping about the 0.7300 level. Okay, 10 pips up, 10 pips down, 10 pips up, 10 pips down. I had my stop loss level placed a couple of pips below the 0.7290 level, and that's been hit. Like I said, that's been hit about 5 minutes ago. You know, not much I can do about it. It did look like a nice setup. Okay, former levels of resistance, like I say, now turning into support in an uptrend within an up channel. All right, in a reversal formation on the short time frames. It's you know, it's I had all the cards in my hand to go long, and I basically did. Unfortunately, like I say, price lost all type of momentum, totally moving sideways. And you know, one of my trading principles or my beliefs is that upon entry, if price does not quite move in your direction fairly quickly, something is wrong with this setup. All right, yeah, in my opinion, in my experience, when price you know, butts around entry levels for you know, for quite a long time upon entry, it's an early signal of weakness in that trade. It probably means that you've mistimed, or in this case I have mistimed my entry, or the setup is just basically fizzling away altogether. But that's trading for you. Okay, it's very easy to trade in hindsight. Unfortunately, that's not the way it works. We all trade in real time, and in real time it did look like a good trade. Like I say, it was a small stop loss, and it was a 1 to 2.5 risk reward ratio. This being entry level, this being stop loss, this being my first target, this being my second target. Like I say, from a technical point of view, it was looking nice. Unfortunately, like I say, it's fizzled away, or I don't know, perhaps this thing might be shooting up now, and therefore I mistimed my entry. That's not my concern anymore. I'm out of the trade for a minus 26 pips loss. Alright guys, well, that's all for this trade. What can I say? Sometimes you get them, sometimes you miss them, sometimes they slap you in the ass. That's the way it works. Alright folks, that's all. Bye bye.